Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there were two best friends named Sarah and Maria. They did everything together. They played in the park, shared their lunches at school, and even had sleepovers on the weekends. One sunny day, as they were playing near a beautiful pond, Maria's favorite kite got stuck in a tall tree. Maria tried to reach it, but it was too high. She looked sad because she loved that kite very much. Sarah noticed her friend's frown and said, "Don't worry, Maria. I'll help you get your kite back." She thought for a moment and had a clever idea. She ran home and grabbed her dad's long fishing pole. With the fishing pole in hand, Sarah carefully maneuvered it towards the kite. After a few tries, she managed to hook the kite string and gently pulled it down. Maria's face lit up with joy as she held her beloved kite once again. "Thank you, Sarah. You're the best friend ever," Maria exclaimed, giving Sarah a big hug. From that day on, Sarah and Maria knew that true friendship meant being there for each other, especially when they needed help or a clever idea. They continued to have fantastic adventures together, knowing that their friendship was as strong as ever.